Hey guys, good morning. I hope you're having a great weekend. I wanted to come online real quick and tell you about a beautiful condo located in Cinco de Diciembre. The name of the development is called the Colonial, and there are about 27 units in total in this building. You're only a few blocks to the beach. It's located in Cinco de Diciembre, which is at the very beginning part of the Malecon. You're about maybe like a 5-minute drive, 10-minute walk until you get to the romantic zone. It's pretty centrally located in Old Town. So now that I've kind of explained a little bit of where we are, let me tell you about this condo. The asking price is $350,000. It is a 2-bedroom with 2 bath. It is a little over 860 square feet. So let me show you this condo, and then I will tell you more information about how to get in contact with me if you're interested. So come and take a look at the condo, guys. Okay, now that you guys have seen this condo, let me let you know that it comes completely furnished. So if you're wanting to use this as an investment property, there's really nothing more that you're gonna have to do. As you can see, everything is already provided. So if you like this video, click like and subscribe down below so that you can see more videos. I definitely post videos at least once or twice a week. If you need to get in contact with me, if you look down in the description, you've got my name, my phone number, my email. There's tons of different ways to contact me if you use WhatsApp. That's another great way. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you at the next one. Bye-bye.